Hello friends and welcome back to the Reconstruction channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS TUF Gaming T500 desktop PC system. So friend, ASUS has announced the TUF Gaming T500, a compact desktop with power to drive the latest and greatest AAA and esports games and powered by up to Intel Core i7 13620H processor and up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti GPU and up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, 2 TB of PCIe 4.0 SSD, and as well. And the machine is inspired by the mecha anime featuring bold lines and futuristic element and the use board. And the PC is inspired by the mecha anime means featuring bold lines and futuristic elements that exude both a technological and compact ready feel with a clear side panel can get a peek at the beating heart there machine softly illuminated by yellow lightning and aura for and the T500 is also available in metal side panel, giving the chassis sleek and high-tech lines and one of the front of the machine. More lightning help illuminated front. More lightning help illuminate the front I/O panel, while also more lightning help illuminated the front I/O panel, while also subtly harkening back to the optical sensor. More lightning help illuminated of the front I/O panel, while also stubby more lightning help illuminated the front I/O panel, while also stubby hair hanging back to the optical sensor of our ready match. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.